안녕하세요, Teni입니다. Hello everybody. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to write a birthday letter to your K-pop idol or a singer or an actor or an actress. One of my Korean study buddies actually asked me to make a video for her on how to write a birthday letter to her idol in Taeyong, and his birthday is coming soon, so which is why I'm making this video, and let's begin. Hello Taeyong. So hello is 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. So 안녕하세요, Taeyong. 안녕하세요, Taeyong. In Korea, you don't only write Taeyong, you write a relationship with Taeyong. Is he older than you? You write your oppa. And even Taeyong is a female, you write 언니. So he's a male, so you're going to put oppa. And this emoji is something that is frequently used among Americans or people of languages in general. But for Korean letters, people like to use this one, smiley face. I am dash. So he said her name is Minji, so we're going to be writing Minji. I am Minji. So I am is 저는 Minji. Minji, and then we add the particle to it. 민지예요. 저는 민지예요. 안녕하세요, 대영 오빠. 저는 민지예요. So the most important part of this letter, happy birthday. So in Korea, we don't say happy birthday, we say birthday celebrate. Birthday celebrate. So that is 생일. 생일 축하해요. 생일 축하해요. 생일 축하해요. I really like your song. So I actually made two sentences. I really like your song and I really like your drama, because I know that everybody have their own favorite person. So in case the person is a singer, then you can say song, and if the person is an actor, you can use drama. So I really like your song. So that would be I is 저는 really 정말 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 정말. So like, as you know that the verb comes to the last part of a Korean sentence, so like would not come like this. The like will come to the last part. Your song, 당신의 노래를 like 좋아해요. 저는 정말 당신의 노래 좋아해요. And obviously we know that 노래 is the object. You have to put the object marking particle, which is the 를. So we pronounce it as 저는 정말 당신의 노래를 좋아해요. I really like your song. So for the next one, it's the same thing. The only thing you need to change is to change the song to drama. 저는 정말 당신의 드라마를 좋아해요. 저는 정말 당신의 드라마를 좋아해요. I really like your drama. So now to the last part, have a nice day. So we don't say have a nice day, we say spend a nice day. So nice, we don't even say nice, we say good. So good, what? 좋은 하루 보내세요. 좋은 하루 보내세요. So let's start from the beginning. 안녕하세요, 대영 오빠. 저는 민지예요. 생일 축하해요. 저는 정말 당신의 노래를 좋아해요. 아니면 저는 정말 당신의 드라마를 좋아해요. 좋은 하루 보내세요. This is how to write a birthday letter to your Korean idol, be it a singer or anyone. You can send it to them on Instagram. If there are any other things you guys want me to create for you, be sure to put them in the comment section. I will be glad to make a video on that for you. And I would love to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. 안녕.